Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill your e-arrival card when you travel to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, starting this 1st October, the government of India has gone to this e-arrival card so that you don't have to fill up the paper form when you arrive to India. It reduces paper waste and also your time. So how you're gonna fill it up? So when you come here on the first time, you have to fill this form. If you have already filled up and you want to make a new one on changes, then you can go for quick fill from existing data. You can put your passport, nationality, captcha, and populate what you have over there. But anyway, if you're coming here the first time, fill as per passport. Full name it has asked. So I'm putting sample. Of course, I won't be submitting it, but you can do it as per your own guess. Passport number. Purpose. Why you are going there? So tourist. Arrival. When you are arriving. So you can fill it up 1, 2, 3, 4 days in advance. If I do today, that means 5 days. So let's say you are arriving on Sunday. Countries visited in last 6 days. So if you have not visited any country, you can do this. Okay, if you have visited, like let's say if you have gone to USA or something, you can do that. I'm samples, I'm doing this. Address in India, where you're gonna stay. So let's say you have booked a hotel, whatever address, hotel A1. Write the full address. If you have done the booking or if you have your own home or relative home, you know the address, right? So I don't have to tell you anything about it. Okay. Your contact details, your email ID. Make sure you do a proper email ID. Don't do like this because communication will come QR code or anything they want to send, they will send it here. Email communication, everything. Contact number. So yeah, when I had gone to border for like first time through New Delhi airport, they asked me if I had any local number because for them it will be easy to contact you, especially for emergency number they prefer. But if you don't have, still that's okay. Yeah. Ah, yeah, India I selected. Sometimes you need to scroll more. If you have more than one people traveling, then click on add a member and do like you're telling the family member. You have to enter the captcha. Click on declare and then submit. So of course, I'm not gonna submit, but you got an idea how to do this easily. So let me know what you feel about it. And if you want to make changes or fill new, you can retrieve the existing one here. So let me know what you feel about it, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.